Ito yung ating barya guys na mayroong halagang 600 hanggang 2,600 pesos guys. Tapusin ang video guys para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Ang ating 2017 na 25 centimos, ang NGC coins at ang BSP series na 25 centavos. At 2017 Philippines 25 centimos coin, part of BSP and New Generation Currency series, general holds a collector's value ranging from 300 pesos up to 1,000 pesos. If it is in especially if in pristine and circulated condition, as it is considered hard to find. While its face value is only 0.25 Philippine peso. The 2017, 2018, and 2019, 2020 issues are sought after by collectors. Circulated common condition, often sold for much lower, sometimes near face value, or slightly more to collectors with some listing showing higher unverified prices. Number 2, uncirculated mint condition. The highest value up to 1,000 pesos is for coins with no signs of wear. Number 3, why valuable? The 2017 issue is often highlighted by collectors as a hard to find coins. So yun guys, kaya nga pala guys mahal kasi napakahirap hanapin. So itong ating new generation currency guys ay mayroon itong halagang umabot sa 607.39 centavos. So napakahirap hanapin guys ang ating new generation currency na 25 centimos. At dito naman guys sa ating error coins ito guys, ang ating BSP series na 25 centavos na kulay dilaw or brass ay umabot guys sa 2,653 pesos 65 centavos. So ganun kamahal guys kapag mahirap hanapin, at lalo na kung mayroong mga error. So dapat guys magsipag maghanap ng mga error dahil so sobrang taas ang halaga. Sa 25 centavos natin nga napakahirap hanapin, mayroong halagang 600 pesos. At dito naman sa ating error coins na BSP series na mayroong taon 2017 ay umabot na sa 2,653 pesos 65 centavos. Yun guys ang ating nalalaman sa baryang ito guys, ang 25 centimos. Maraming salamat guys panood at God bless sa ating lahat.